Since the times of the Tipu Sultan, he has been considered by those who are opposed to the peace, prosperity, development, and religious tolerance. They always labeled him as the tyrant and also the enemy of Hindus. He was also against the language Kannada and all that. This seems to be the cock and bull story to me, because those who know the real history of Tipu Sultan will not behave like this. Communal forces, they want to polarize the Hindu votes. That is why, if just being the fact that Tipu Sultan is a Muslim, they have created a sort of a crazy negative propaganda against him. If he were not to be a devout Muslim, if he were to be a person following any other faith, this type of the controversies would not have been erupted at all. I fear the country where we live in, the great nation India, has the thousands of the years of the religious tolerance and also the tradition of what you can say mutual coexistence, but they want to tarnish the Bharatiya parampara of that dharma. That is how the communal forces always will be busy trying to find out what one or the other type of the negative thing, which is in reality a false, wrong propaganda.